All right, step one for this installation is to take your CL bracket right here, and it's stamped on the bracket, and then piece E and piece A. You got 3 piece E's, they're gonna go right there, and then 6 piece A's. I'm gonna sink them there, 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 and there into piece number 6. And I'm using that cordless drill right. Step 2, and step 2 is done. Step 1 was to find your rails there, your white rails. That's how this thing goes in. Here's step number 3. We have piece number 7, and then our CR rail, and then piece A and E there. Put those 3 for the rail, and the piece A's are just gonna go right in there in those inserts. All right, step number 3 is done. This is step 4, and we took our piece 9 and then P and E. So this is for a right door. I'm gonna go ahead and fasten that in there. All right, that step's done. Okay, now I'm gonna just go ahead and assemble this. And so we're gonna use 12 piece C's here, 12 of those, and then 2 of these, and these 2 are just gonna go right. This is piece 3, this faces the back, and that little slot is at the bottom there, just like this one. Those are at the bottom. Go ahead and put these right in the side here, and they're gonna go right there. So these and that match up with that hole and that hole. So same thing with this one, put this on this side. Now we'll put it together, and then our piece 9 right here, as it sits, is gonna go right here and there. All right, now it's just loosely fit together, and then we're gonna take piece 8 here, and these holes right there are gonna face down. So that's gonna go right in there. We got piece 8 on right there, and everywhere there's a hole like this, right here, we're gonna put these in there, and then we're gonna put 12 of them in. So you get 4 right there, and you got 4 down here, and then you got 4 up above too. All right, I found it useful to flip it up on its top. That way you have the best access to these and have gravity working for you. And that arrow right there just points right towards the screw. You pop it in there, and then you'll twist it just like that. Okay, got all those pieces tight. Same thing with those down there. Okay, now I'm gonna put piece 21s to these pieces here, these thin pieces, and they just slide down right down the slots in the back there. I have piece 4 and 5 and 2 piece A's there, 2 piece A's there. Just gonna go right into those little inserts. All right, step 7 is done. Okay, I have piece 4 here, piece 11 here, and piece 5. So that piece is just gonna go right across here. You can see it got the slot facing down on both sides. With this one, the slot is facing this way, and the holes will be facing that way. We're gonna use 4 piece C's and 2 piece D's. These piece D's are gonna go right in the side here like that, just like the last one. Now we'll go ahead and put our piece C's right in these 4 holes there. Okay, got that installed. Now we're gonna take our piece 20 and slide it right in here. Right in there. Here's the next step. This is piece number 2, and we got 4 part A's there. We're gonna go ahead and screw those down into the inserts. That step's done. All right, our piece 2 there is gonna fold up like that. We got our U pieces. We're just gonna slide them in there. They're the longer wooden dowels. Same with this. And we're gonna just take this piece and install it there. Okay, I found it useful to stand this thing up, and I could just press this piece on. These things stay just like that. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and take our H pieces here. It's 2 on each side. All right, I went ahead and flipped it over again. That way we can put piece 18 and 19, slide it down the back there. Piece 19 went down there, and piece 18 right up there. All right, step 13, we got piece number 1 got the slot across the top, then you got piece R and S, and then our A piece is there. But this is gonna keep it from tipping, and so you want these flush with the back. Screw that right in there, and then slide it up flush before you tighten it down. And we'll go ahead and put these A fasteners in too. That step's done. This piece here is gonna sit down just like that on top of there. But first what we gotta do, we're gonna use these here. It's gonna go there. Same thing with this side. It's gonna go there. And then these things are gonna go right in here and here after we put that top on. Okay, got that top on. And put those in there as well. 2 on each side. Okay, now we take this piece and set it right on top of that piece. We're gonna take our C fasteners and put them in there, 4 of them when we're done. Okay, got them stacked on each other. Okay, now I flip this thing around. I'm gonna go ahead and install piece E and Q back here. These things keep this thing from wiggling around, so they kind of wedge down in there. You just screw them. I just got that first one in there. Here's the second one. Put it in there like that, and this just goes there, and you screw it in. All right, I got all 22 of those in there. Now we go ahead and put our drywall anchors into the wall to keep it from toppling over. Okay, here's the top of this. Now we're gonna put our piece 10 in here, which is a shelf, but you gotta figure out which elevation you want it. I'm gonna just go right for the middle, and these piece K's are gonna fit right in there too. Just like that. And the shelf is just gonna sit right on top of there. All right, the next step is to put the hinges on the door. So I've got it laid out as it's gonna sit right there. So that got the knob and the screw, the 2 hinges, and then 2 piece E's that go to it. All right, got the hinges and the knob on there. I'll go ahead and put the door onto the main piece. All right, got the door installed. All right, I got piece 14, 12, and 13 there. And I'm gonna put 2 F fasteners in each side. All right, now piece 17 slides right in there. Okay, there's the front piece. I'm gonna go ahead and sink those in there. You got piece B, and then the handle and screw. That's piece M. Okay, got all that in there. Now it's ready to go. Put that on the front there. Now we got to put the rails on the drawer there. We're going to use these little E screws, but the wheel goes opposite the drawer front. It's going to just sit like that, and you can see these holes line up there, and right there. All right, there we go. Now I'm ready to put the drawer in that thing, but just got the rails on there. Let's see how this thing fits. There it is. Oh, nice.